Yes. Hello, champions. So this is your Premila Mam, and today we are going to deal with the mark booster session. And yes, we are going to deal with electrochemistry chapter. Trust me, from this chapter easily you can get 3 to 4 questions for your NEET, and the questions are also predictable. So we will ensure that we are having a super dhamaka over this chapter. So yes, is my audio video all clear, my dear? Am I clear? Is my audio video clear? Perfect? Paka? Yes or no? Yes or no? Wonderful, wonderful. Sure, Princess Fusey. So once we go on with the question, I'll tell you the concepts then and there. Okay? Don't you worry. Also, a mega revision is coming up. So in the mega revision, I'll ensure that the entire chemistry concept for NEET is also covered. Right? Wonderful. Hi, Dayananda. Hi, Aishu. Hi, Sumo. Suma. Hi, Vedant. Welcome on board. Thank you so much, dear. So, yes, today we are going to deal with electrochemistry, and the very first question is given here. Let me know the answer for this one. Read out the question loud, and then let me know the answer. A cathode and an anode are the most common components of an electrochemical cell. Which of the following claims about cathode is correct? What are all the points which are correct about cathode? Look into the option. You can have just one answer, or even 2 or 3 or 4 answers. So yes, make it quick, and let me know the answers, my dear. For sure, Vedant, I will for sure watch it, my dear. Okay, Princess Fusey, don't you worry, Karna. Just for the sake of concept, we will do one mega revision. Okay, mega revision is coming up, wherein which will cover all the basic concepts which are needed for chemistry, NEET chemistry. So don't you worry, just focus on the class, my dear. Hi, Saujanya. Hi, Karna. Welcome on board. So yes, Suma, Saujanya, Aishu, Dayananda, Vedan, Princess Fusi, please let me know your answers for this question. Yes, my dear. Not even one answer. What happened? I can see. For sure, Princess Fusi, once your PUC2 exam is done, we will go with the mega revision of chemistry, okay? Hi, Ravi. Good morning. Yes. So, guys, if you haven't subscribed to the channels, please do subscribe and also like the session for sure. Okay. Saujanya option A, Princess Fusi option A. Okay. So they are asking which claims about cathode is correct. And I can say that electrons move into cathode is absolutely right. My dear, you should always remember this. Okay, you should always remember one single key point in order to understand what happens in anode and what happens in cathode. So keep this keyword in mind, which is load. LOAL. Left oxidation, anode, negative. Left oxidation, anode, negative. Which means in anode, you should always put negative sign in case of an electrochemical cell, aka Daniel cell or galvanic cell. Anode oxidation always occurs. This is called as load. And the remaining part is for cathode, which means in cathode reduction occurs. It is positive in nature and it is kept in right side. Okay, so if at all your cathode is positive in nature, then obviously the electrons will move into cathode, and that is how we say option B is the right answer. Okay, yes. Next, move on to the question, my dear. I'll hide myself so that you can look into the question deeply. Let me know the answer for the same. Let me know the answer for this one, my dear. And guys, don't forget to like, please do. Please do share this video with all of your friends so that everyone will be there for sure. Yes, 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 my dear. Please let me know your answers. No, Shamshuddin, it's not going to be difficult. Don't you worry. Don't you worry. Saujanya says option B. Which one of the following claims about electrochemical cell is true? Vedan says B. Princess says C. Okay, okay. So the correct answer for this question is absolutely option B, my dear. Cell potential is an intensive property. It is independent of the amount or the concentration of electrodes or the material present. Okay, so option B is the right answer. Next, we will move on with another question. Let me know the answer for this one. Which of the following assertions about main cell is correct? Yes, yes, yes. Which of the following about main cell is correct? Main cell, in the sense, is another name for primary cell. Okay. Hi, hi, Suchitra. Welcome, welcome on board, my dear. So, yes, my dear champions, please let me know the answer. Please let me know the answer. Yes, Vedan says option A. Others, please answer. Please answer. Saujanya, A or B? Always remember, nickel cadmium is not a primary cell. It is actually a secondary cell. Right? So the correct answer is going to be obviously option A. An example of primary cell is mercury cell. Mercury cells are none other than the small dot-like cells which we use in our what we say in our watch and all. Right? In our wristwatch, we used to have that small battery. Now that is called as mercury cell. All right, we will move on with the next question. When equilibrium is reached inside the two half cells of electrochemical cell, what is the net voltage across the electrode? What could be the net voltage? Will it be greater than 1? Will it be lesser than 1? Will it be 0? Or can you determine it? Come on, my dear. Come on, my dear. Please let me know the answer for the same. Please let me know the answer for the same. Okay. Yes, yes, yes. Option B. Sure, sure. Okay, so the correct answer is actually zero, my dear. See, always remember this. Whenever you consider a half cell, okay, which is like either the anodic part or the cathodic part of your galvanic or Daniel cell, right? Either oxidation or reduction will occur. At equilibrium, okay, at equilibrium, whenever your electron moves, the total net factor of a half cell is going to be zero. That is what is exactly called as equilibrium, right? Yes. So, in equilibrium, your net voltage across the electrode will always be equal to zero. Remember this, remember this. All right? Very good, very good, very good, my dear. Let us move on to the next set of questions. And yes, let me know the answer for the same. Hi, Vijay. Welcome, welcome on board, Vijay. So, yes, let me know the answers. Let me know the answers in the comment section below. So, look into the question and please let me know the answer. This is super easy question, super easy question. Okay. Okay, so Princess Fusey, can I do one thing? If it's possible, can I explain you each and every concepts for the question? Can you please, look into the question and let me know the answers, my dear? Will that be fine? Okay, option A, sure. But the correct answer is actually option D. Which of the following is not generally used in electrolyte and salt bridge, which is used to connect two half cells of an electrochemical cell? You guys know that an electrolyte, the one which is used in salt bridge, it should be strong electrolyte. Only if it is a strong electrolyte, you can ensure that the ions move from one place to other in order to maintain the electrical neutrality of the cell. Right? So always remember this. These are all strong electrolytes, which means you cannot say that you will not use them in your salt bridge. But in case of zinc sulfate, yes, you can use zinc sulfate because it is not a strong electrolyte. So yes, option D is the right answer, my dear. Wonderful. We will move on with the next set of questions, and here you go. Let me know the answer for the same, my dear. Let me know the answer for the same. Hi Surya, welcome on board. So this is a super easy question, super duper question. Let me know the answers without fail. Which of the following factors does not affect the electrode potential of an electrode? Which of the following factor does not affect the electrode potential of an electrode? Okay. Yes. I can see option C's, option D's. So, which of the following factor does not affect the electrode potential of an electron? Nature of an electrode, temperature of the solution, molarity of the solution, or size of the electrode. The correct answer is option D. Option D is the right answer. Very good, my dear. Size of an electrode has nothing to do with electrode potential because we know your electrode potential is independent of concentration of electrode, right? So that is why option D is the right answer. We'll move on with the next set of question. I'll hide myself so that you can see the entire question. Please let me know the answer. Yes, guys. Sure, Fusey. Don't you worry, Kanna. Don't you worry. I'll ensure that I come up with a session for the same. Okay. So, yes, my dear, those who haven't liked the session, please do like the session and make sure that we are hitting 100 likes. Okay, so it is option D. Is it so? Why are saturated solution of electrolytes for salt bridge prepare in agar-agar jelly or gelatin? It has a very easy question. Okay, it is a very easy question. And the reason is you should keep the electrolyte or the the salt bridge in a semi-solid phase. Okay, if you keep it in a semi-solid phase, it will not mix immediately with both the half cell solutions. So this is the main criteria for the same, and yes, that is why we ensure that we mix it with agar-agar jelly. Okay, so next question for the day. Please look into the question and let me know your answers. Okay, so here you have electrolytic solutions of half cells. So look into the question and let me know the answer right away, right away. Don't you worry, I have written the word which is hidden through me. I've written with that solutions of. Dayananda, Vedant, Suma, Princess Fuzi, Saujanya, Suchitra, everyone. I want every one of you to try this question. Which of the following is not a characteristics of a salt bridge? You just have three characteristics of a salt bridge, right? What are they? Just look into the concept. Just understand the concept and let me know the answer, my dear. Saujanya says option D. Okay, so the question is it is not a characteristic feature. So, if you consider all of these points, all bridge joins two halves of an electrochemical cell, yes, it is correct. It completes inner circuit, yes, it is correct. It is filled with salt solution or gel, okay, fine. It does not maintain electrical neutrality. It will maintain electrical neutrality. Why? Because say for example, in case of Daniel cell, you have this anode and cathode kind of setup, right? So what happens here? In anode, you have zinc. In cathode, you have copper with copper sulfate solution in it. What happens here is, whenever the system is turned on, your zinc rod becomes zinc 2 plus and 2 electrons. The electrons are passed in this way, right? So, similarly, whenever you get electrons here, copper 2 plus from the solution will move on and make a layer in the copper rod. So, in this way, SO4 2 minus is also kept untouched here. So, whenever the positive and negative ions increase in the electrolyte, you have to maintain the neutrality of them, or this entire structure will go in vain. That is where your superhero salt bridge comes into place. In salt bridge, you will have a cation and an anion, which are of same size and same charge value, so that they will ensure whenever one K plus moves along the solution, one Cl minus moves along zinc solution to make sure that electrical neutrality is maintained. Always remember, the ions are not going to react. They are just going to, they are just going to be there in the solution in order to maintain electrical neutrality. So yes, they will maintain electrical neutrality, and so option D is the wrong statement. Wonderful, my dear. Hi Rakshita, welcome on board. So yes, guys, if you're new to the channel, subscribe to the channel and like without fail. Let me know the answer for this one, my dear. Which one of the following is not a type of electrochemical cell? Which one of the following is not a type of electrochemical cell? Yes, my dear. Please look into the question. I'll zoom in the question for you. Okay. Guys, please let me know the answer. Please let me know the answers. Right. So, yes, my dear. Yes. Rakshita, option C. Diamond, option B. Aishu, option D. Aha. The question is, which one is not a type of electrochemical cell? So, understand the question. Understand the question. The correct answer is photovoltaic cell. Because an electrochemical cell is where either electrical energy is converted into chemical energy, or chemical energy converted into electrical energy. But in case of photovoltaic cell, what happens? You take the solar panel, you make sure that the light is converted into electrical energy. So this does not fall under electrochemical cell, and so option B is the right answer. We will move on with the next question, my dear. What is the direction of flow of electrons in an electrolytic cell? Always remember, your flow of electrons is opposite to the flow of current. Okay, if your current flows in right side towards right, then your electron will flow towards left. This is how the total mass works. So yes, 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 let me know the answer. Let me know the answers without fail, my dear. Aishu, Suchitra, everyone. I want every one of you to answer the Kanna. Come on, guys. This is like a battle. Okay, this is like a battle wherein which you have to ensure that you give your maximum input. Right? So we just have few more days left for your NEET, and I want you guys to be like thunder, be like something else, be like something special. So yes, my dear, yes, yes, yes. Okay, and how will you find a negative terminal? It is super easy, right? You know a trick which I told you, LOAN for an electrolytic cell. So here L stands for left, O stands for oxidation, A stands for anode, and N stands for negative. So yes, the answer is going to be. I know that you guys know the answer. I know that you guys know the answer. So, yes, 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 my dear. The correct answer is absolutely option A. Option A is the right answer. Vedant, Rakshika, Aishu, very good, very good, very good. Tansi, super, super. No, no, Tansi, it is not cathode to anode, it is anode to cathode externally. Okay, so option A, lock option A, my dear. Option A is the right answer. Very good. Let us look into the next question and let me know which one of the following is not a secondary cell. Secondary cell in the sense those who are rechargeable are called a secondary cell. You have to find which one is not a secondary cell here. All right. Okay, okay. Quick, quick, quick. Answer it quick, my dear. Okay, Vedant option B, Saujanya C. Kushal B. Kavas A. Yes, so the correct answer for this question is, look into the question once again. The one which is non rechargeable is not a secondary cell, right? So, out of these, Leclancy is actually a secondary cell, right? Mercury cell, sorry, Leclancy is actually a primary cell. Mercury cell is also a primary cell. So, you can say both Leclancy as well as Mercury cell, option C and D, both are right answer. Next, look into this question. Which of the following statement regarding primary cell is false? Tell me which one is false, which one is false. Hi Riti, welcome, welcome on board, my dear. Yes. So look into this question. Look into this question. Which of the following statement regarding primary cell is false? Which one is false about primary cell? Primary cell cannot be recharged. Absolutely true. They have low internal resistance. We will look into it. They have irreversible chemical reaction and initial cost is cheap. So look into the question. Look into the question and let me know the answer. So Chitra says option B. Rakshika option C. Tansi option D. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. Right, right, right. Okay, so the correct answer is absolutely option B, my dear. So, yes, 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 you cannot say that they have a very low internal resistance because primary cell cannot be used again and again, which means once the charge value is completely done, it is completely over, its resistance becomes so much high, that is why it cannot be reversed. So, yes, option B is the absolute correct answer. So, yes, yes, yes. Next question. Please let me know the answer for the same. What is the observation when the opposing external applied potential to an electrochemical cell is greater than the cell's potential? What will happen if the applied external potential is greater than the cell's half-life potential or cell's potential? Okay. Yes, my dear. Yes, please let me know your answers. And those who have not liked this session, please do like and subscribe to the channel. Okay, so the correct answer is absolutely option A. Kushal, Suchitra, Siddhappa. Option A is the right answer, my dear. Very good, very good. Option A is the absolute correct answer because whenever the opposing external applied potential is greater than the cell's potential, then the electrochemical cell will behave like an electrolytic cell. Very good, very good. So next we will move on to the next question, which is which of the following conditions are satisfied when a cell reaction in an electrochemical cell is spontaneous? If the cell reaction is spontaneous, what will happen, my dear? What will happen? Very good, Suchitra. Exact answer for last question. Similarly, please let me know the answer for this one as well. Super duper questions, okay? Super duper question. Okay, TC Gamer, if you did it wrong, then probably the invigilator might have told you, right? So if you have done your serial number wrong, then obviously and probably the invigilator who checked it might have told you that yes, you have done something wrong. So since it was right, he has not told you, he has not told anything about the same. So don't you worry, you must have done it right. Okay. So yes, 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 the correct answer is absolutely delta G is less than zero, because you know whenever delta G is less than zero, your reaction or your chemical process is always spontaneous. Not just for this cell reaction, for all the chemical reactions, delta G should be negative for a spontaneous reaction to occur. So yes, option D is the absolute correct answer, my dear. With the same force, let me know the answer for this one. Yes, which one of the following is false regarding galvanic cell? So please let me know the answers. Please let me know the answers without fail and smash the like button like nothing before, my dear. 22 likes. Very good, very good. Just few more likes. So smash it out without fail. Siddhappa says option A. Others, please answer, Dakana. Please answer. Lohit, option C. Kushal, option C. Suchitra, option C. Rakshika, option A. So, yes, for this question, shall we look into the answers, my dear? So, for this question, option C is the right answer. Which one of the following is false regarding galvanic cell? It converts chemical energy to electrical energy. Yes, of course, it will convert chemical to electrical energy. The electrolytes taken in two beakers are different. Yes, two beakers. One is zinc sulfate and the other one is copper sulfate in case of Danielson. The reaction taking place are non-spontaneous. No, no, no. It is spontaneous. The reaction is spontaneous. That is how you get or you convert your chemical energy into an electrical energy. So yes, option E is the wrong statement, but the right answer. Let us look into the next set of questions, my dear. Next set of questions coming right up. So look into the question and let me know the answer for the same. Look into the question and let me know the answer for the same. A cell is prepared by dipping a copper rod in 1 m CuSO4 solution and iron rod in 2 m FeSO4 solution. What are the cathode and anode respectively? Which one will act as cathode and which one will act as anode? So yes, 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 dear. Please let me know the answers. Please let me know the answers. This is super easy, right? The question which I show you is super easy, right? I believe so. I believe so. If you have any doubts, please let me know the answers. Please let me know so that I will let you know the answers. Okay. Kushal, Rakshika, Saujanya, option B, option B, option B. So the correct answer is absolutely option B. Why option B, my dear? Why option B? You guys know that the E naught value of iron is less than that of E naught value of copper, right? So, whenever the E naught value is higher, the one which has higher E naught value will act as cathode, and the one which has lesser E naught value will act as anode. Ma'am, how will I know the E naught value? Don't you worry, my dear, don't you worry. I've already told you on electrochemical series in your PUC2 mega revision, right? So what you will do in order to find the E naught value, you will consider like Bakana story, wherein which you know that iron's E naught value is much lesser than that of copper. So that is why we say option B is the right answer. Very good. So we'll move on with the next set of question, and here you have which of the following is the correct order of reactivity of metal? Always remember your E naught value with respect to SRP is inversely proportional to reactivity. So find the E naught series, just put it in reverse, you are going to get your reactivity series. Alright? Yes, yes, my dear. Let me know the answer for the same. What happened, my dear? What happened? See, if you do not know the answer, don't you worry, my dear. Just let me know in the comment section so that I'll, uh, okay. Please answer so that I'll ensure that I explain you. Okay. If you don't understand a point, let me know so that I'll explain it to you. Okay. Yes, yes, my dear. So, yes, 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 the correct answer is going to be D. Are you guys sure? Suchitra, Kushal, Dayananda, Saujanya, everyone says option D. And yes, option D is the absolute correct answer because greater the oxidation potential of the metal, greater the reactivity, or lesser the reduction potential, greater the reactivity. So obviously option D is the right answer. Very good, my dear. We will look into the next set of question, and here you have. Please let me know the answer. Please let me know the answer for this one, my dear. This is a super duper easy question. Super duper easy question. See, whenever you do not know a concept, please let me know so that I will make you understand it from scratch. Okay? So you have an open arena here. Whenever you have doubt, you can ask it out. Guys, 29 likes. Just one more like for 30. Please smash on the like button, my dear. Yes. Kushal, option A. Saujanya, option A. Okay. Rakshita, option D. So, yes, the correct option for this question is absolutely option A, my dear. Option A is the right answer. Why? Because what is the EMF of a galvanic cell? They have given E naught cathode and E naught anode, right? All you have to do is cathode minus anode, big value minus small value. So 0.80 minus of minus 0.76 will give you plus of 0.76, and the answer is 1.76. So yes, option A is the absolute right answer, my dear. Very good, very good, very good. Okay, Saujanya, it is added now, da Kana. It was a bit late, but don't you worry, it was added right away, like yesterday or day before yesterday. So please look it once again. Hi, Pramod. Welcome, welcome on board, my dear. So yes, we have another beautiful question, and let me know the answer for the same. Yes, please let me know the answer for the same. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. Wonderful, 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 my dear. So, yes, the correct answer for this question is absolutely not option D, but option B. So, I'll let you know why. Look into this question. What is the EMF of a galvanic cell? If a standard oxidation potential of oxidation half cell is 0.64 and standard reduction potential of reduction half cell is 0.48. Whenever you have one oxidation value and one reduction value, just add them up, okay? Just add them up so that you will get the final answer as 0.64 plus 0.48. The answer is going to be 1.12 volts. Right? So 1.12 volts is the right answer. Right answer. Next, we will move on with the next question. Please let me know the answer for the same. Okay, okay, my dear. This is super duper easy, super duper easy. So please, please, please let me know the answers. Okay. Guys, 30 likes pass, 30 likes pass. Let us make it to 40 as well. So those who haven't liked the session, please like the session. Okay. All right, all right. So, what could be the answer? What could be the answer? My dear champions, you are doing a wonderful job. Make sure that you have that same force, okay? Kushal says option D. Kushal says option D. Okay. So, yes, yes, yes. The correct answer for this question is actually option A. Why option A? I'll let you know the reason. First of all, if you look into the question now, you can say that EMF of a galvanic cell with a reduction half cell, one is given and the other one is oxidation half cell. A reduction potential of oxidation half cell is also given. Look into the questions. You have reduction potential values of both the half cells. So what you should do, whenever reduction potential is given, you should know this formula, which is cathode minus anode, or big value minus small value. So that is how you come up with the answer, which is minus 0.9 volts. So yes, 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 minus 0.9 volts is the right answer. So next question, what is the standard reduction potential of a cathode of a galvanic cell if standard EMF of a cell and standard reduction potential of anode are given below? So you have to find the SRP value of cathode, SRP of anode, and total cell is given. Okay. Yes, 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 my dear. Look into the question and let me know the answers. Look into the question and let me know the answers. Let it be quick. Let it be quick. Okay. Yes, yes, yes. What is the answer? What is the answer? Okay. My dear champions, please let me know. Please let me know. Soumya says option B. Aishu says, Aishu, what's your answer, my dear? Rakshita, option B. Okay, okay, okay. So, yes, the correct answer for this question is obviously option B, my dear. Probably you must have got a doubt here, but I'll let you know how you have to move with this question. First, look into the question. They have given your standard reduction potential of anode and EMF. You have to find the value of cathode. How will you find? You know, E naught of a cell is equal to cathode minus anode in case of reduction potential. If you want cathode, just take the anode right away from uh, right hand side to left hand side. So you will get E naught of cell plus anode, right? So you just add these two values, which is 2.71 plus of minus 2.37. This is going to give you 0.34. So yes, option D is the right answer. Option D is the correct answer. Next, look into this question and let me know the answers. Please let me know the answers without fail, my dear. This is a super duper easy question. So yes, yes, yes. Let me know the answers. Let me know the answers. Okay. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. So yes, super, super issue. Wonderful issue. So yes, the correct answer for this question is absolutely option A. And how did you find out? Good morning, Ravinder. Good morning, my dear. Yes. So how will you come to an understanding that option A is the right answer? It is super easy, my dear. All you have to do is you have given or they have given two values. One is oxidation potential and the other one is in reduction potential. Just add these two in order to find E naught of a cell. Just add it oxidation plus reduction. 0.3 plus 0 gives you 0.3. Next, you have to find at what pH of the solution EMF will be 0. So you have to find the pH value. At first, you have to understand the concentration value. So you substitute in Nernst equation, you have to substitute E of a cell as 0. E naught is obviously 0 0.3, you know it, plus 0.06 by 2 log of 10 concentration of H plus square. So here you have to find concentration of H plus, and when you calculate all of these, the final concentration is going to be for 10 to the power minus 5.08, which means your pH is going to be 5.08. So yes, 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 my dear, obviously option A is the right answer. Option A is the correct answer. Next question, let me look into the question and you guys find the answer for the same. Yes, my dear, please answer it out. Please answer it out. Just two more legs for 40, my dear. So smash the like button like anything. Smash the like button like anything. Okay. Look into the question, my dear, and please let me know the answers. Look into the question and let me know the answer. Okay, okay. So, yes, what could be the answer, my dear? What could be the answer? Let me know the answers. I want every one of you to answer it out. This is super easy, trust me. Okay, Saujanya, you cannot understand. Rakshita, you cannot understand. Okay, 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 my dear. I'll let you know. I'll let you know. Fine. So first of all, just look into the question. Calculate the equilibrium constant for the following reaction. What is called as an equilibrium constant? Kc is called as an equilibrium constant. And when the system is in equilibrium, concentration of product by concentration of reactant is called as Kc. So in your Nernst equation, you have E is equal to E naught minus 0.06 divided by N log of concentration of product by concentration of reactant. Now, so in equilibrium, this concentration of product and reactant will become your equilibrium constant Kc. All right? Yes, so you just have to substitute this with Kc. All right? Okay, so now you have to find the equilibrium constant Kc. They have given you the values of E naught. Just substitute the value of E naught along with the electrons by means of this chemical reaction. Find the value of Kc, right? So all you have to do is, you know, the total electron transfer from Fe, because Fe the value is 0, to FeSO4, Fe2 plus, which is plus 2, CuSO4, which is plus 2, to Cu 0. Obviously total number of electron N value is going to be 2. Log of Kc you have to find. E naught of a cell is given here. E naught is of iron is 0.5 and copper is 0.4. You just have to find E naught of a cell by adding these two, right? Right. Next, what you have to do, substitute the values and find the entire formula. Oh, sorry, find the entire answer. So the correct answer is going to be obviously option C, my dear. Ravinder Reddy, Aishu, Kushal, everyone, very good, my dear. You have done a wonderful job. With the same force, let me know the answer for this one as well. Okay? Fire, fire, fire. Yes, RCB na fire. So wonderful, my dear. Let me know the answer for this one as well. Pramod, what doubt, my dear? If you have any doubt, let me know. Guys, if you have any doubt, please let me know. Okay? Calculate the EMF of the half cell given below. You have a half cell here at 1 atmosphere pressure and 0.1 M. E naught of oxidation potential is said to be 2 volts. So yes, yes, yes. Let me know the answers, my dear. Okay. Dekanna, look into the question. Look into the question. And if you do not know the answer, let me know. Okay. Yes, Likita, I do remember you, Dekanna. Yes, Pramod is back. Very good, very good, very good. So, yes, guys, meanwhile, smash the like button without fail because we are just in 43 likes. We have to reach 100 likes, right? So, smash it, smash it, smash it. Yes, yes, Likita. Yes, Likita, I did. Since it was my very first match, I was unable to understand things. But once we start watching it on a regular basis, obviously it is going to work out. So, guys, yes, 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 let me know the answer. Calculate the EMF of half cell given below. You have a half cell here, which is given. You have to find out EMF of the same. E naught of OP is also given. Okay, so how will you find it? How will you find it? Okay, Ravinder Reddy, don't you worry, Kana. I'll let you know. I'll let you know how you have to answer this kind of a question. So, first of all, the answer is going to be 5.4 volt. And how will you find the question? Answer E naught is given. You have to find EMF of a cell, which is E. You can follow Nernst equation, which is E is equal to E naught minus 0.059 divided by N log of product concentration divided by reactant concentration. Here, product is none other than HCl in the sense H plus and reactant is none other than H2 gas, right? Just substitute the value. Concentration of H2 gas is going to be 1, whereas concentration of H plus is going to be 0.02. How will you find it? Yes, there is a way. You just have to consider zero point 0.1 mole with respect to 2 hydrogen. So that is how your value comes, right? So just substitute the values here, substitute the values here, and you will find the answer. And yes, finally, the answer is going to be 5.4 volts. So Nernst equation is all you have to know. Okay, Nernst equation is all you have to know in this kind of a question. Similar kind of a question, please let me know the answer. Please let me know the answer for the same. Here, equilibrium constant Kc value is given. We know Kc is none other than concentration of product by concentration of reactant. It is given as 4 into 10 to the power 16. You have to find E naught of a cell. And how will you find E naught of a cell? E naught of a cell is equal to 0.059 divided by N log of Kc. So yes, my dear, let me know the answers. Okay, my dear, smash the like button if you haven't. Smash the like button if you haven't. Hi, Preetu, welcome on board. Hi, Swati, welcome on board, my dear. Look into the question, and yes, let me know the answers, my dear. Okay. So, guys, let me know the answers. Let me know the answers. Be 100%. Yes. So, guys, you are absolutely right. Yes, of course, you might have get some variation, maybe 0.474645 and all. But yes, equate it, normalize it. The correct answer is going to be absolutely option B. Wonderful, my dear. Look into this question and let me know the answer for the same. What is the correct Nernst equation? What is the correct Nernst equation? You have that big equation here. Let me know the answers. Let me know the answers for the same. Yes. Likita, 0.47 is also okay for the last question, my dear. Okay, okay. So, guys, focus on this question. Okay, focus on this question and let me know the answer. You have to find the correct Nernst equation for the following. Very simple, my dear. 0.059 divided by n. That is the value which is going to change. You have to find the n value here. Obviously, 2 electron transfer is done, which means n value is 2. 0.059 divided by 2 is going to be obviously option C, which is 0.0315. So, yes, the correct answer is option C, my dear. Very good, very good, very good. Next, we will look into this question. Preetu, please don't spam the kanna. Focus on the class. What is the preferred electrode when it is not allowed to take part in a chemical reaction? What is the preferred electrode when it is not allowed to take part in a chemical reaction? So look into the question and let me know the answers, my dear. Yes, yes, yes. Guys, just two more likes for 50. Smash the like button, smash the like button. Okay, A and C, same value. Is it so? Okay, so the correct answer for this question is obviously option D, graphite. Obviously, option D, graphite, my dear. Because whenever you consider the chemical reaction which takes place, right, the electrodes which do not react, they are called as inert electrodes. And out of these, the inert electrode is none other than your graphite. So, yes, 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 option D is the right answer. Next, we will look into this question. Please let me know. Please let me know the answers. Yes, Vedan, 50 likes completed. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much, everyone. Now, just 50 more likes for 100. We will smash the like button, reach 50 without fail. Thank you so much, my dear, for reaching it out to 50. Lots of love, my dear. So, next question, next question. Please let me know the answers. Please let me know the answers. Okay. The Kanna, be at force, be at force. Focus. Okay. So the correct answer is absolutely sodium metal, my dear. Very good. What is the product from? At cathode, if you electrolysis molten NaCl, if you consider molten NaCl, it is none other than NaCl formed into a fusion part or a liquid part, right? So in cathode you will have Na plus, in anode you will have Cl minus, and thus option B is the right answer. Sodium gas is the right answer. Sorry, sodium metal is the right answer. Next, we will look into the next question. What is the electrolyte used in electroplating of the gold? What is an electrolyte used in electroplating of gold? Look into the question and let me know the answers. Look into the question and let me know the answers. Yes, yes, guys. Please let me know your answers without fail, without fail, without fail. Focus the kanna, focus the kanna. Focus in the class. Focus in the class. Okay, confused between A and D. Don't you worry, Kanna. I'll tell you, okay? So the correct answer for this question is actually C. Why? Because if you just use an electrolyte, like molten gold and for molten gold for as an electrolyte, then the electroplating will not be feasible. Why? Because you do not have a proper anode deposition and the cathode deposition. Am I right? If you consider AuCN, obviously the deposition is going to be higher than that of AuCl chloride. So that is why we consider AuCN over AuCl3. So yes, 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 my dear. Obviously, option C is the right answer because the ionic value is +1 and -1. Okay. So we'll look into next question. This is super, super, super duper easy. Let me know the answers. Hi, hi, Aishu. Welcome, welcome back, my dear. Wonderful, wonderful. So, yes, yes. Let me know the answers for this one. And yes, we have reached 55 likes. Just 5 more likes for 60. Smash it if you haven't. Adade, Kanna, answer, answer, answer. Please answer it out, my dear. Please answer it out. Please answer it out. This is a super easy question. Thank you, Likita. Yes. So, answer, answer, answer. So the correct answer for this question is, if you look into this question, even by closing your eyes, if someone asks you 1 Faraday is equal to how many coulombs, you will answer it, right? Yes, I know that you are going to answer. And the answer is going to be absolutely right because option D is the right answer. 1 Faraday is equal to 96500 coulomb. Wonderful, my dear. Next, we will look into the next set of questions. And here you have, according to Faraday's second law, the weight of different substances evolved by passage of same quantity of electricity are proportional to their what? Proportional to their what? It is based on Faraday's second law. Faraday's second law. So please, please, please look into the question and let me know the answers. Guys, just 4 more likes for 60. Smash it out without fail. Yes! Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Okay. Yes. So I'm planning to keep class leaders from next class. How do you feel? Shall we have some class leaders, guys? Yes, is it okay? Is it fine? Guys, 59 likes. Wonderful, wonderful. Just one more like for 60. Smash it out, smash it out. A, 100%. Okay, A, 100%. Is it so? Is it so? Is it so? And yes, A is the right answer. Chemical equivalent is the absolute correct answer. Okay, my dear. Next, we will look into next set of question. And the question goes like this. Please look into this question and let me know the answer. Dekanna, this is super duper easy. So yes, let me know the answer. Sure, Dekanna, sure. So anyone can become a leader here. Those who are willing, you can directly become a leader here, my dear. Okay. Aishu, don't you worry. RCB is going to win. Don't you worry. Don't you worry. So yes, B, option B. Are you guys sure? Are you guys sure? Sure, huh? Yes. Okay, so we'll look into the question. We will look into the question, and the correct answer for this question is absolutely, absolutely option B, my dear. Very good, very good. Silver is electrodeposited on a metallic metal of surface area is given by passing current of zero point 0.2 amps for 3 hours. The thickness of silver deposited. Easy, my dear. You just consider Q is equal to IT formula and you are set, you are done. The correct answer is going to be obviously option B. Very good. So next question, let me know the answer for the same. Yes, Kana, let me know the answers. Let me know the answer for this one, my dear. Super duper easy question, duper duper easy question. So, yes. Okay, da Kanna, please answer, please answer, please answer. Okay. So, yes, the correct answer for this question is actually option C. So, before you guys say I told you the answer, option C is the right answer. Once again, you follow Nernst equation, the answer is going to be super easy and you are going to find the answer within seconds. Okay, so next question, next question, next question, and let me know the answer for the same. Right, let me know the answer for the same. Let me know the answer for the same, my dear. Achacho, what just happened? Why is the count so low? Dekanna, focus, focus, focus. Just few more questions left, okay? Just few more questions left. I want you with maximum focus. I want you with maximum focus. Dekanna, 61 done. 61 likes done. Smash it if you haven't. Saujanya, option B. Aishu, Swati, Likita, Pramod, Rakshita, Vedant, Tansi, please answer the Kana. Ravinder, please answer, please answer. Saujanya, A or B? Likita, B. Okay, once again, 33rd question. Ravinder, don't you worry with the same concept. We have another question. I'll explain it to you without fail, okay? So just wait for a while. I'll give you same kind of a question, but with different set of numbers. So yes, the correct answer is going to be obviously option A. Why option A? Because they have asked for universal gas constants value in Nernst equation. In Nernst equation, R value is going to be 8.314 joules mole inverse Kelvin inverse. So yes, option A is the right answer. Next. What is the number of electron transferred in an equation if the Nernst equation is given below as so? Yes, Kana, you have to find the total number of electron transferred. You have to find the total number of electron transferred. So, yes. What? 0.059 divided by what will give you 9.83 into 10 to the power minus 3. This is all you have to find. Just substitute these values, Dakala. Just substitute and find the answer. Okay. Yes, Vedant. We heard about it just yesterday. I heard about it. So it is so hard. It is so bad to hear it. but still, it happens then and there in the field. Okay, so very good, very good. The correct answer is obviously option B, because only when 0.059 is divided by n, which is 6, you get 9.83 into 10 to the power minus 3. Yes. Okay, so we'll move on with the next set of questions. You have to once again find the total number of transferred electrons transferred. So yes, 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 my dear. Let me know the answers. Let me know the answers in the comment section. This is super duper easy, my dear. This is super duper easy. What happened, Pramod? Kana, what happened, the Kana? So yes, the correct answer for this question is actually option C, Dakana. Why option C? Find the number of electron transferred in the equation. Your copper becomes copper 2 plus, which means you have 2 electron transfer, and Ag plus becomes Ag. For 1 Ag plus to become Ag, it is 1 electron. For 2, it is 2 electron. So the total number of electron transfer is actually option C, 2. Okay, it is not A or B, it is actually option C, 2. All right. So yes, 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 dear. Just three more questions left. Let me know the answer for this one. Let me know the answer for this one, my dear. Okay, de Kanna, focus, 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 focus. Okay. So yes, the Kanna. Very good, Ravinder. So, what is the method of protection of iron by coating it with zinc? It is absolutely going to be galvanization, option C. Okay, okay. So we'll move on to the next question. Next question, and here you have. I'll hide myself so that you can see the entire question. Yes, guys, look into the question and please let me know the answer. Please look into the question, my dear. Please look into the question. Look into the question. Okay. Focus, focus. Okay, so Pramod, for BSc Agriculture, see, first look into your question, like first look into what mark you get, and based on the mark, you can go for BSc Agriculture. Of course, for BSc Agriculture, you need a good mark in your exams, but still, you have some other colleges wherein which not just exam is a bar, your exam mark is a bar. They will focus more on, getting you onto the degree which you need. So you can focus on such colleges and get BSc Agriculture. Okay. So the answer for this question is obviously option C. Okay, option C is the right answer, Dakana. So which of the statement regarding corrosion is true? Strains in metals affect the rate of corrosion is obviously true. So yes, option C is the right answer. We'll move on with the next set of question and please let me know the answer for the same. Yes, 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 Kanna. Thank you, Ravinder. Yes, so please answer, please answer, please answer. See, it is not that I do not know Kannada. I can easily understand Kannada, but the thing is, I'm not so fluent with Kannada. That is the thing. Okay? Okay. Kanna, you can get into it by KCET in itself, so don't you have to worry. Right? Yes, yes, yes. So the answers. Okay, can I get BSc nursing? Easily you can get, Likita. Don't you worry, you can easily get. Just focus. For sure you can get. Okay. The correct answer is obviously option D. Which of the following is not method of prevention of corrosion? Heating is not a method. So option D is the right answer. These are all that kind of a question which you can close your eyes and answer it, my dear. So yes, you have another question. Let me know the answer for the same. So yes, 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 dear. Please let me know the answers. Please let me know the answers. This will be the last question of the day. Last question of the day. Yes, yes, yes. I do understand. I do understand, Vedant. With just 20 people, how can we get 100 likes? But with just 20 people, we got 65 likes now. So obviously, 65 to 100 is not a big path. Saujanya option A, Rakshita option C. Which of the following is the overall reaction? They are not asking about which is the reaction which occurs in rusting. They are asking about overall reaction. So look into the options and let me know the overall reaction. Okay. So, yes, the correct answer is actually option C. Because listen, in corrosion or in rusting, your iron reacts with the oxygen and hydrogen ions of your H2O. That is why your iron becomes Fe2 plus and your O and H plus becomes H2O, right? So obviously option C is the right answer. Option C is the correct answer. One last question for the day. Which one of the following is a not requirement for a useful battery? Which is not a requirement for a useful battery? Let me know in the comment section, my dear. Okay, Likita, don't you worry, Kana. I'll be back soon. I'll be back soon. By 12 o'clock, you have a biology session for PUC 2. So that is why I'm winding up soon. You can watch that session and I'll be back in the evening. Hi, Iris. Good morning, my dear. Welcome, welcome. So, last question of the day, answer it with maximal force, my dear. Maximal force. Yes, yes, yes. If you haven't smashed the like button, just last 2 3 minutes. Smash it, smash it, smash it. Likita option C, Saujanya option C or D. So the correct answer for this is actually option D, because in case of a useful battery, it should not supply alternating current AC, it should supply direct current DC. Okay, so option D is the wrong statement. So obviously, D is the right answer. Very good, my dear. So here I have given you few more questions. Okay, I've given you like 8 questions as homework. My dear champions, please take a screenshot of each questions I show you, or you just take a screenshot as of now. Okay. Afterwards, I'll give you the notes, and once the notes is set up, you can check whether your answer is correct or not. Right? So, guys, please take a screenshot. This is your first question for the day. This is your first homework question. Okay, so I'll do one thing. I'll just cut off these answers, Rakana. Okay, I'll just cut off these answers from the question set so that you just have questions here, right? You have 8 questions as homework. All you have to do is do these questions, solve these questions, and let me know the answers. Right? Can you, my dear? Okay, Ravinder Reti. So good to hear, Dakanda. Yes, if you want to learn Tamil, I am here. If you want to learn Malayalam, I am here. But Telugu and Kannada, I can understand, but I'm learning it right now. Within a month or so, I'll be fluent in it. Okay, so yes, my dear, that's it for the day. I want you guys to really answer these homework questions in the comment section once the session get in. So please make sure that you are posting your answers, and I will tell you which one is right and which one is wrong. Okay, shall we? So I am expecting answers from Pramod, Swati, Aishu, Saujanya, Iris, Likita, Mohammed, Tansi, Ravinder, Vedant, every one of you. Can you guys answer me all of these 8 homework questions in the comment section? Yes? Okay, Saujanya. Don't tell it now, Saujanya. Let others answer it out, okay? Yes. For sure, Likita. I have to learn Kannada from you guys. So, yes, that's it for the day. You have a session by 12 o'clock, which is all about your PUC2 biology. So, don't miss it out. Gopika ma'am and Baswa sir will be there to teach you biology. So, we will meet in the next session. Until then, this is Premila Mam signing off. Tata, bye bye. Take care, everyone, and have a wonderful, beautiful, and best like day. Okay, so tata, bye bye. Take care and have a great day, my dear